Good afternoon, guys. I know it's a bit later than I normally do, but I actually just took a trade and I was texting Ron and I said, you know what? Where should I be getting out of this trade? And I actually entered in right here at 922.50 and just closed it out here at 944. I'll go and show you guys this as well, just so you guys can see. Where to go? Let me pull this up here real quick so you guys can see the exact for today. So aftermarket trading, $270 per account. So what about $1,300 on this trade alone right here? So really happy with it. Really happy. Not only did we have a buy signal, it was absolutely perfect. I was actually looking at, a little bit overall, we were making these patterns, look at these signals, you guys, absolutely brilliant. Buy signal and sell signal, got a little bit of a tiny chop, sell signal, great drop. And then this one right here just ended up running. I told Ron, I was like, you know what I'm going to start doing? I'm going to get better at holding trades longer and longer. And, the way to do this, you guys, is just play that profit wave. If that profit wave is still green and it's just green, stay within the trend. This is where I was able to capitalize on instead of 5 points with some of these trades. This ended up being about a almost 23 point trade. I traded with 7 micros. I started with 5, as I always recommend. Once I got into profit and I saw some consolidation and push above, I then added 2 more, had 7 total, ended up making $270. 270 times 5 accounts, 270 times 5, it's going to be about $1,350. So starting the day off today really well, and obviously this will roll into tomorrow when I do the live trading with all of you guys as well. But this is what I'm looking for. This is actually an A+ setup. You look at the green background, profit wave stacked, strong bullish candle. This is our entry. If we zoom in, the buy signal was illuminated, perfect. Technically speaking, if you're following this A+, this would be your entry. But I was actually looking at the break of structure here, which I go over in my live sessions, of saying when you're looking for reversals and you start seeing a higher low, if you put that line right at that strong candle where it broke down, the first one that basically creases above that can be your entry, and then you want to play that to the upside. So just all in all, a really brilliant trade. My stop loss was right down here. So we're looking at basically a 1 to 2.5 close to risk to reward, which is actually really phenomenal. Really phenomenal, you guys. If you want to even join us, you guys, all these metrics you guys can grab for lifetime right now. And also every Tuesday and Thursday, I go live with Ron, showing our analysis, showing our charts, showing our entries. Last Tuesday, yesterday actually, was one of the best tradings ever. We had more first-time people on that Zoom call than ever. And I couldn't believe close to about 70% of all the traders actually win 100% win rate, and that was trading. We had a total of 9 trades called out, won every single one of them. Not everyone took all the trades, of course. I actually only took 4 trades myself and went 100% win rate, but it was a lot of fun. So when you go over here, grab these metrics, and then of course when you go here, you can also join us live. And you know what? Try us out for a week. Try us out for a Tuesday and Thursday. And if you like what you see and you make more money than you've done ever before, like most people are, stay on. Join a really fun team. It's absolutely incredible. I'm having a blast with you guys. But I just want to go over that trade that I just got in right now and I exited out of. Just a really good banger. This is after hours. It is, 3:56 right now. Market opened at 3. And can you trade in the afternoon? Yeah. I was extremely busy this morning. Didn't sleep last night at all. My daughter was up for 2.5 hours. My wife and I in the bed with her, and I could just not sleep. So my eyes were just crazy this morning. So I figured, wait. I'm actually having to leave out of town right after tomorrow morning, the session, the live training group. So it is going to be a great time tomorrow. I cannot wait. But nice little push here. So hopefully you guys were able to capitalize on that. If you were playing, aftermarket New York session close, just a really good banger trade. All right, guys, I will see you live tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.